So for today's video, we have a Dollar Tree haul. And Riley's in the video because I guess she wants to annoy me. I don't know. Like, she won't let me do this. This is my 5th take, you guys. So we're just gonna roll with it. So I'll just go in and show you guys. It's some nail products and then some regular house products. So let's get started. I got basically 4 of these hangers. Mama, go play. Go get your chips. Go get your chips. Okay, so I got 4 of these hangers because I'm reorganizing the closet. Get mama. So Riley got these little Lay's stacks, sour cream and onion, and then she got her brother one. So we got 2 of those. Here we go. And then I don't know if I showed you guys this, the Peppa Pig like duplex sandwich cookies. They're like chocolate and vanilla. Everything that I'm showing you guys, this is how cute they look though. They're very cute. And then me and Riley already started eating some hot Cheetos from the Dollar Tree. I also got some highlighters for my Bible and my business. These are actually the Avery brand, which is really cool. So I was like, ooh, Avery, we are definitely getting these. There's 2 of them. Of course, I went to the other Dollar Tree the other day. Remember, this is 2 stores. So one of them that I went to did not have any acetone. I think I went to 2, it had no acetone. So I was like, let me get 3. This one has a bunch. So I got this Swan brand. And this acetone is amazing. Don't mind my other hand. My nails is not done. If you didn't see my last video, I only did 1 hand. Okay, she opened this too. These are for her brother. He has like bad allergies in the morning. So for my son, I got him these like 6-pack, which their other parts of them are somewhere else. But these are just like some Minion Kleenex. Is it the Kleenex brand? No, it just says Simple Care. But I just got him these so he can carry in his backpack, or for the morning he can hold one of these while he's trying to get rid of all his boogies in the morning. Then I got this, I saw, I always forget her name. She does like a lot of Dollar Tree videos and cleaning and organizing videos. But she said this totally awesome brand window cleaner is good. I just don't like the fact that I have to fill it up. But they had another smaller bottle, but it didn't even have a spray. So I was like, might as well get the big one. And it is by the brand Totally Awesome. Because I have this huge mirror in my room and I thought that this would be a good idea. So we got that. And let's see, I got some more cotton balls because once again Riley got in my cotton balls and then they all fell on the floor and I obviously had to throw them all away. And it was actually a new bag and it was the same brand from the Dollar Tree. And that's the bag. You guys probably seen them there. So then we also got some label stickers, and there's 10 of them, and I thought they were cute because I do have those little shoe boxes full of like nail art and things like that. They used to have nail files, but I moved that somewhere else. But we'll see how we use those in a video. I actually want to do a video showing you guys how I implemented all my Dollar Tree products in my nail room. So that's going to be a new video coming up. I found this big pack of wipes, you guys, from the brand Fisher Price. I never tried Fisher Price baby wipes, but I was like, this is a thick pack for $1, so I thought, let me get it. And it is I think it says, oh yeah, it's fragrance free. I guess it's like for sensitive skin. So can't wait to try those. And you know, sometimes the Dollar Tree will have things, but then they won't have it for a long time, or there was a one time that they had it. So it's like one of those things where you have to grab it while they have it. Here goes the other stack chips that we got for my son. These are AA batteries. We always use a lot of batteries in this house. Okay, I already used one of these. It's in my nail room, or was in my nail room. They're all gone. But I had 3 of these doggy pads, training pads, and they smell like really good. They smell like lavender. I love the smell of them. And I use these for my nail table so that, you know, it's just easy cleanup after you're done with a client. I don't know, it looks weird. I think I've never even tried the actual manicure pad, tabletop pads or whatever they're called. But these work just fine in case you're starting. There's a lot of stuff at the Dollar Tree I used, you guys, when I started lotions and things like that. Riley, no, don't get near the cable. You're gonna fall. And then my boyfriend, for some reason, okay, he got more batteries. You can never have enough batteries. These are AA too. And then he got these, because we bought the actual brand one. I don't remember what the brand is called, and it smells so good in the car for like the home with. It still smells so good in the car, and it was like, I think the new car smell or something, or linen smell or something like that. But he got the off brand at the Dollar Tree, and I'm like, I don't know if that's gonna be good, but I'll let you guys know. You just stick it on like the little air, like vent thing, and then the smell starts going everywhere. He got 2 of them, I didn't even know. Look like that. Okay. Well, this one I got the AAA, because a lot of the stuff for my nail room, you guys, is AAA, that you need to use AAA batteries. So like my little LED lamp that I use for fast flash curing. And then I got, or my boyfriend got, some little new car smell deodorizers, but I don't know. I don't have a lot of faith in the car scent thingies in the Dollar Tree. I don't know why. I haven't tried them as far as I can remember. I don't remember trying them. Oh, finally I got something that my clients keep telling me, maybe you should get some goggles, because when I like nip off their this isn't a hardware aisle, you guys. It looks like this. But my clients are like, oh, maybe you should get some like protective glasses or something. What are they called? Safety glasses. Because you know how you're like nipping or taking off the stones and stuff? I've had them go in my eye. Or maybe even, what was the other thing? Like mostly it's like the stones things coming off, popping off. These are gonna come in handy. So I'm gonna try them when I'm actually taking off the stones. Let's see how. For quality wise, I feel like they're pretty good quality. Let me see. And it's from the Dollar Tree, you guys. $1. They don't look bad, do they? It makes me look like I got a unibrow or something. What? I should put some like rhinestones on there. Okay, so these are, I feel like these are gonna be really good to protect my face from the stuff. What in the world? Wow. Okay. Not bad. I like the quality. I never thought they were gonna be that sturdy. They feel sturdy to me. Who knows? We'll see. For the kitchen, you guys. ¿Qué hiciste, mi amor? ¿Quién? What are you doing? Did I drop something? No. Okay, for the kitchen, I got these cute like kitchen towels for the oven, so you can just hang them up there. They're so cute, and it says bless this kitchen. That's the cutest thing, and I like the color. It'll go in my kitchen very nicely. I love these. I got some hair ties. I always get these hair ties. This is elastic, and it's from the company Salon Quality, and they're clasp free, which that's why I love them. They're just easy to put in your hair. You guys, I dyed my hair. I like not dyed it. Yeah, I bleached my hair again, because remember the pink didn't stay on. I did the second application and it did not want to stay. It actually looked like it faded after the second application. So I'm going to, I already bleached it, so I'm gonna try again. If not, I'm probably just gonna do a different color. Oh, so we got a pizza pan here. When the pizza comes out, you have somewhere to put it, because usually when we do pizza in the oven, because my boyfriend likes doing pizza in the oven in case I'm busy, he'll just make a pizza from the freezer, and there you go, he got his dinner. So this would come in handy for him. We also got this Betty Crocker, I don't know what this is called, basting brush. Okay, it's called a basting brush. I've always wanted one of these. And I was like, what do I need that for? But now that I have an air fryer, sometimes like with chicken and stuff, you know, if you do like fried chicken, you still kind of have to add a little bit at least of oil, like olive oil, so that it doesn't come out dry and it has a little bit of crispiness outside and moisture. So I'm gonna make taquitos dorados. That's basically a Mexican dish where you like fry like little rolled up tortillas with chicken or whatever kind of meat went inside. But we're gonna do it in the air fryer, so it's not that bad. So I'm gonna use this to kind of like get some olive oil and kind of like lightly feather them. I don't know, lightly. Stop. so we can lightly coat them and get a little bit of moisture in them. Okay, here goes the other hanger that I was talking about. My daughter got some, what is it? She took it away. She got some stickers from the Dollar Tree because she loves Toy Story. Everywhere she goes, this freaking doll goes with her. Her Toy Story or her Woody doll. This, look how busted it looks. She just got it in Christmas. But this girl will not go anywhere without this doll. She likes to sleep with this doll. She likes to play with this doll. This doll is her best friend. Right, Woody? This doll, she loves Woody. Like, it's so cute because like in the movie Andy and Woody are best friends, and then so is Bonnie. So she's like little Bonnie and little Andy playing with her little Woody doll. So every time she sees anything Toy Story, if she's at the dollar store, I'm like, go ahead, get it. It's a $1. Oh, and then I got this cute little box of Pond's. It's like an anti-mark, I think it's like a moisturizer, so I'm about to open it. Because whenever you guys see name brand stuff at the Dollar Tree, that means they're not always gonna be there, because it's kind of like, I don't know, like it's very rare to find really good stuff. Sometimes these things online cost a little bit more. Not online, but in general, like at a different store. I'm gonna see if I can find it at a different store. But it was $1 at the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna see what it looks like inside. Let me just open it up first. Alrighty, so this is what it's gonna look like in the back. It has like a picture of the actual bottle. Let's see the size of it. Ooh, okay, so this is what it looks like. If it can focus and if it's not too bright, I don't know, hopefully not. Can y'all see it? I think you guys can see it. Okay, so it says perfect color complex. I'm just gonna put some on my hand because I have a little bit of foundation on, so I don't really want to put it on my face. So I'm gonna, oh, it smells really good. And it's, I guess it's for like what do they call it, marks? It's an anti-mark cream. So I put it there and see how it feels. It feels nice, to be honest. Yeah, it feels nice. It feels like the Pond's face moisturizer. Oh, it smells like it too. I like Pond's. For some reason in other countries, Pond's is very expensive. And for us, it's like a drugstore, random, regular moisturizer. But I wouldn't sleep on Pond's because Pond's is actually very good. So that was the last thing, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this Dollar Store, or Dollar Tree, not Dollar Store. Thank you for watching this Dollar Tree video haul. Thank you guys. And I'm gonna give a shout out to a person. I always see her. I think her name is Ellie Ramirez. Shout out to you, girl. That is my notification shout out for today. And I appreciate you guys for, that's funny, I remembered her name just mentally because she's always commenting. Thank you for commenting all the time, girl. I love you so much. And until next time, you guys, I love you all so much. And I hope God blesses you, and may God bless you forever and ever with health and happiness and righteousness. And that's it. And until next time, until another one of these videos, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.